How you doing? Pogo here and you're watching You Like This Now. Life's good. Today we're going to be unboxing the LG OLED B5 series 55-inch. I'm very excited, it's my first OLED TV. Got it at a great price, I'll talk about it later. You see, I've already got my wall mount ready. There was a Philips 55-inch ambilight here. Without further ado, let's crack that box open. See the feet here? You aren't gonna need those though. And here's the usual bits of documentation and LG's magic remote. Gonna need that. Comes with batteries, which is nice. I heard rumor that the LG boxes open in a really satisfying way, so I'm hoping we're gonna get that today. Apparently from there you just lift. Oh yeah, there we go. That's great that you don't have to fish inside the box and try and pull it out. Pretty nice. So we're gonna lift it out now. All right, let's peel the plastic off just so you can see the back. Hopefully you can see this. There's this sort of weird marble finish on the back of it. No one's gonna see that because it's on the wall, but it's nice that it's there. If you take a look at from this side, you'll be able to see just how thin the actual panel is. It's kind of crazy, but honestly, I think just this protrusion here is thinner than my entire old TV was. Next, we want to lay this bad boy down. Okay, I was already in the middle of some upgrades for my Mac Pro. God, the power of editing is going to make this look like it took 1 minute to do. Oh yes, there's a screw in there. So if you do need to change the cable, I guess you can unscrew this door here. Maybe you need a longer cable than offered or something like that. It looks like it's about 1.5 meters. Should be fine for me, so we're not gonna tinker with that. One of the things that sucks about the LG B5 is though it has 4 HDMI inputs, 2 of them are directly facing out of the back of the TV. If you're gonna have it flush against the wall, it does not work out well for you. Fortunately, I thought ahead and I bought right-angled adapters to place into the back of the TV so that when it's plugged in, the HDMI will sit out to the side rather than pushing out of the back. Well, good job I did my research. So we're gonna plug the right-angled HDMI cables now into the back. Oh, that's a shorter cable than I thought. Oh my God! Is this happening? We're going to have to fit that one there. Oh yeah, that's right. We can't! Oh, LG, what are you doing? Wow. So look at this. Beware, do not buy a right-angled HDMI adapter like this because it's not even going to pass the threshold here to fit into the socket. So what LG have done, which is absolutely terrible, is put 2 HDMI ports on the back. And as you can see here, I've got 2 different types of right-angled HDMI just to kind of mitigate that. Unfortunately, this little recess here is way too small to actually fit the ending of any regular HDMI along with an adapter. I've got this right-angled one here that barely makes it as well. Anyone who wants this on their wall can't have a HDMI sticking straight out the back of the TV. And anyone who buys a right-angle adapter can't fit it in the little enclosure that you put here. Poor design on all fronts, but hey-ho. Well, the only other thing we can reasonably do is just plug it in normally and pray that there's enough clearance at the back. If in doubt, just jam it in, right? We're just gonna hope for the best. This is what we're interested in here. The 4 screws that get my wall mount on. All right, here's the wall mount. Let's get it into position. Okay, time to drill, baby, drill. Oh, by the way, I have absolutely no intention of content where a massive £1,000 TV crashes to the ground. So I'm gonna be doing a good job at this. Never drill all the way down on the first try in case you need to reorder some stuff. Obviously, my one concern is the HDMI here. SD card error, your mum. But I'm not even sure if these are connected properly. What I should really do is test that they work in this configuration before I even put it on the wall. But I've already fitted the wall mount. I just want to get it done in one try and pray that it all works and I don't have to adjust anything. One man, one TV, one wall. Who will win? Now we hope and we pray that the wall mount and the TV play nice. as I lift the 800-pound panel onto a wall by myself, no help. Okay, we're doing all right. Next up is the alignment. Looks reasonably aligned. Next comes the lift. And then you kind of have to just feel and hope. Don't let go until you're sure. I am definitely not sure right now. We'll try and feel for it again. I feel like it's just sat in place on the wall. I'm looking for play from that HDMI cable. I'm not letting go from underneath in case of any sudden mishaps. I'm super out of breath. But you know what? I've let go and it's not gone anywhere. I think we're good, guys. Well, that looks like a good starting point. Don't mind if I do. Here we go. Oh, that was worth it, wasn't it? Oh, it's like the Nintendo Wii. LGs have the best remotes. Scroll wheel. I hit the scroll wheel, you can see the icon changing there. And just point where you want to go, like a mouse. All remotes should be like this. I got an LG TV for this remote. I saw it in someone else's house like 6 years ago. Ever since then, I was like, my next TV is going to be an LG and an OLED. There is an LG app. I don't have any other LG devices. I don't really feel like the app is going to be worth it anyway, unless I had a washer dryer and a fridge and whatever else. So let's just jump in. We're just going to set it up. Yep, I agree to everything. Take my data or whatever the hell you got to do. Let's turn my PlayStation 5 on. Please tell me that HDMI. Ah! Ha ha! It works! It detected 2 HDMIs, and even knows one of them's a PS5. How cool is that? Yep, it's wall mounted. Oh. Damn. The AI sound function is much worse. Well, yes, okay, the AI picture is a heck of a lot better. I'm gonna use your flipping AI, you happy? I'm gonna turn it off later if I don't like it. Set the always ready so that even when your TV is off, you can enjoy artistic works, AI images. Why are these companies so obsessed with AI? My God. The last thing I want on my TV is an AI image. I'll not be having that on, thank you. Off you go. Automatic software updates are fine. Wow! Let's bring that volume down. Oh, that's so much better. Peak brightness versus high. So we're gonna push that OLED pixel brightness all the way up to 100. Also, I feel like this TV is gonna come into its own once I turn the overhead light off. Fiddle with a few settings and now I'm happy. So let's fire up the PlayStation. Supports AirPlay. So does that mean I don't need an Apple TV? Wait, gaming can wait. I'm gonna try and AirPlay it over here. That easy, huh? How about some high def content? Battle, build, and conquer in this it's me working on another video. Oh yes, how about I just screen mirror the whole damn iPad? That'll do. Hell yeah. Well, got Procreate on my big screen as well. No Apple TV required. Oh, what in the hell? Why have I been signed out? Why is everything conspiring for me to never play this PlayStation during this video? Why don't you check out Pragmata demo? It's just come out. You know what? Immediately not my kind of thing. Splatoon 3 time. There's a thing with smart TVs where they're a little bit too smart for their own good. This decided that Switch 2 isn't going to play audio because of reasons. To get the full experience, I'm going to turn the lights off. Okay, I have this to say about OLED TVs. They're very beautiful in the shop. I see it a little. I see it a little. But it's not blow your mind, replace your TV territory for me. The reason I went for this primarily is because one of the HDMI inputs failed on my 55-inch Ambilight from 2020, and I thought, it's been 6 years. Let's go grab us one of the new 4K OLEDs. It's not gonna blow your mind if you've already had a really good 4K telly. I'm sure once I throw on a 4K Blu-ray movie, I'm gonna really appreciate having an OLED. So, you know, I'm not regretting a purchase at all. Also insanely cheap, as I said, $799 plus £159 credit rebate. So what is that? Quick maths, 600 and something pounds, 630. Insane. I always seem to be scoring deals on this channel. Well, I got this for an amazing deal. I should be like a television shopping evangelist or something. Glad I got it on the wall. So there we go, it's up and running. Do you have an LG B5, or maybe you've got the C5 OLED or even the G5? Let us know what you think about this in the comments. Is it priced correctly? Are the features worth the price? Would you get one of these? But for now, if you're looking for a new TV, I cannot fault the LG B5 at the price I got it for. That's all for today's video. Hope you like this now. New videos are coming soon.